Welcome to the second video in a series on how to customize your Excel ribbon. And in this particular short video tutorial, I'll show you 5 quick and easy ways to restore your Excel ribbon in case it's missing, and learn how to hide and unhide your Excel ribbon to create more working space in your Excel worksheets. In our first video, we already learned and understood what an Excel ribbon is, and we also described the 4 components that form up the Excel ribbon. If you didn't watch that video, I'll put a link in the description of this video, so you are free to go ahead and watch that particular video. We all know that the ribbon is the central point of whatever we do in Excel, and it is the area where most of the features and commands available in Excel reside. Yes, it is very true. If you're working from a small laptop, the ribbon may take up too much of your screen space. However, that should not be a problem anymore, because I'll show you in one single click of your mouse, the ribbon will be hidden, and if you want it back, just another single click, your ribbon will show up. Alright, so starting off, one of the fastest method is using the shortcut key on your keyboard, Ctrl F1. When I press Ctrl F1 right now, like this, you'll see the ribbon is hidden, and if I want it back, I just press Ctrl F1 once again, and there you go, it shows up in a flash. If you are not a fan of the keyboard shortcut keys, you can just double click on any of the ribbon tabs. For example, we are right on the page layout ribbon tab, so I will go ahead and double click, and there you go, the ribbon is hidden. I double click once again, the ribbon shows up in a flash. If you don't use any of the 2 options I have so far shown you, here are some of the few options that you can use involving just 2 simple clicks. Right click anywhere in the ribbon, navigate over to collapse ribbon. Immediately you hit this option, your ribbon is hidden. You want it back, go back and right click anywhere in the ribbon, navigate and remove the check mark on the collapse ribbon option like this. Your ribbon will show up in a flash. The other option available is using the ribbon display option, and it's this arrow that is pointing down at the far right of your Excel ribbon. You just click once and a number of options will pop up. So if you want to hide the ribbon, you'll go ahead and say show tabs only. This option will also hide a portion of the ribbon, but it will leave the main menus or the main ribbon tabs showing up. So in case you want to bring back the portion of the ribbon that you've just hidden, you just click on any of the ribbon tabs, come over to the ribbon display option, click once, and the options will show up once again. Then you can place a check mark on the always show ribbon option like this, and then it will permanently show up. Let's assume you've left it in the show tabs only option, and then you can continue working on your document. And if you want to perform any action, you will just click on any of the ribbon tabs, for example, the home ribbon tab, perform any of the actions using the commands, and then you can click back in one of the cells like this, and the ribbon will automatically hide. The other option is turning off and on the full screen mode. So you'll come over to the ribbon display option, and then if you choose this option, full screen mode, this option will hide the entire ribbon, including the main menus or the main ribbon tabs. And you can also see our status is also hidden. So to restore to the default, you'll click on the 3 dots that you're seeing on top over here. Immediately you do that, your ribbon will show up once again. And then you can come over to the ribbon display option and turn off the full screen mode by choosing one of these options. I will go ahead and say always show the ribbon. And then we are back to our default display settings. And the shortcut key for turning on and off the full screen is Ctrl Shift F1. Immediately you press that key combination on your keyboard, you'll turn on the full screen mode. And if you want to turn it off, you also press Ctrl Shift F1. I will show you one more powerful customization for your ribbon if you want to turn off any of these ribbon tabs or main menus. And before I do that, if you are new to this channel and you like what you're seeing, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and I will personally respond to any of your comments in the comments section. Alright, so if you want to turn on and off any of these ribbon tabs or main menus for one reason or the other, this is what you do. You click on the file menu. This one will take you to the backstage view of the Excel workbook, and then navigate over to options. The Excel options dialog box will open, and then you can click on customize ribbon. Alternatively, if you don't do that and you want to avoid the so many clicks that we've done, you can cancel this Excel options dialog box box and then right click anywhere in the ribbon and then click on customize the ribbon. This will also open the Excel options dialog box. So on your right, you'll see the main tabs that are currently showing on our ribbon, and to turn on and off any of these tabs, you'll just need to remove the check mark in the checkbox. So I'll go ahead and remove the check marks on all the ribbon tabs like this. And after I've done that, I can just click OK. And there you go. All the ribbon tabs will get hidden. Turn them back on. I'll go to File menu, navigate over to Options, go back to Customize Ribbon. And then I can place a check mark inside the checkbox for all these ribbon tabs like this. And when I click OK, all my main menus or my main ribbon tabs will show up once again. That's it for hiding and unhiding your Excel ribbon. In the next video in a series, I will show you how you can create a whole new ribbon tab from scratch. See you in the next video.